The 2018 Jeep Cherokee boasts only middling gas mileage with a 4-cylinder engine and 9-speed automatic in its toolkit. The 2018 Jeep Cherokee still boasts only middling fuel economy ratings based on its EPA-rated economy. It's a 6-year a 2.4-liter inline-4 powers many of the lower-priced Cherokee crossover SUVs when it's configured with front-wheel drive. The 4-cylinder Cherokee checks in at 21 mpg city, 30 highway, 25 combined with its more basic all-wheel drive system. The numbers fall to 21/28/23 mpg. With the more rugged Active Drive 2 setup, it loses another mile per gallon on the highway. Cycle V6 Cherokees with front-wheel drive are rated at 21/29/24 mpg. With all-wheel drive, they are pegged at 20/27/23 mpg. The more advanced Active Drive 2 system with the V6 musters EPA ratings of 18/26/21 mpg. These V6 models come with stop-start, which turns off the engine at stoplights and other long pauses, in the name of saving gas. With the Trailhawk model, the Jeep Cherokee 4-cylinder boasts EPA ratings of 19/25/22 mpg. V6 Trailhawks, they're set at 18/24/21 mpg. Heavier curb weights account for the Trailhawk's lower numbers.